So now we're going to be doing the oblique twist with the ball on the abdominal bench. Alvin, here we go. Here's your ball. We're going to be twisting from side to side. Now we're going to twist. We're going to exhale. We're going to squeeze all the obliques. We're going to trim the waist down. We want you guys at home to get a feel of exactly what we're talking about. We want to get a burn. We want to get the results. We want to get to happen. So Alvin, are ready. Here we go. Twist. 1, and that's good. 2, 3. So this exercise takes an enormous amount of energy, an enormous amount of strength to do this exercise. If you're a beginner, I might not recommend something like this. For you to advance, intermediate type of person, it's a beautiful exercise to get those definitions happening in the obliques area and the sides. Very good. 5. We got 5 more. 4. Keep on going. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Another simple exercise that we can do is just to use some sort of resistance, grab some sort of weight. And you know what? This doesn't have to be done on an abdominal bench. This could be done at a park. It can be done anywhere in your living room. All you have to do is just get some sort of a chair and have some sort of a handle right here where someone can actually hold the hands if you don't have a strong support. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pass on a 45-pound plate to Alvin, and he's going to do some abdominal stuff and demonstrate some proper techniques. Here we go. Ready? Go. 1. It's good. It's good. 2. So he's crunching the 45-pound weight resistance on his abdominal muscles, really ripping the stomach up, really ripping the arch apart, really getting going. It's good. This you want to focus on about 20 to 30 reps. If you can have it. If not, you can lower your weight and do more reps. Get about 10 more. 9, 8. Now this is the easiest level. We can also hang on for a second. We can also increase the level of intensity by keeping the tension on your abs at a lower angle. So for a more advanced Olympic type trainer, we want to have it down here and we want to have it come up just about right there with a crunch. It's good. There you go. There you go. This is where you're using a really lot of energy to crunch. 2 more. 1 more. Beautiful. Now, another thing we can do, excuse me, with this bench is also we can do a chest press exercise, and we don't have to do a dumbbell. We can actually grab. If you notice our plates are made with a grip on, so you can actually do a complete workout with them. So Alvin will also demonstrate how to do a simple chest press, deep cut chest press to get the deep cut. You know, we were looking at one of our videos and they were asking me, Brian, how do we get the deep cut all over the chest plate? This is the best way to go about it. Now you're going to go back, I'm going to hand you this weight, and all you're going to do, hold it very simply, and we're going to just push your weight up and down. It's good. Ready? 1. It's good. So we're benching about a 45-pound plate. We know at a decline angle, it becomes much more heavier. And if you're squeezing and you're activating those muscles properly, you should get a beautiful workout. This is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, as trainers, what we also do, just to increase the level of intensity, we want that to happen right away. We don't want to get a big weight and we're going to happen. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to get Alvin going again. I'm going to apply some kind of a weight. Ready, Alvin, get going. That's good. So all you're going to do, the chest press, and we're going to apply some sort of weight and push it down. That's good. So you're going to take your time, push slow, all the way to the top, all the way to the top. That's good. 3, it's good. 4, it's good. 5, keep on going. 6, it's good. 7, it's good. 8, 2 more. 9, and you always have that training that you can really increase your strength level by just applying that static pressure. So hold your weights up, Alvin, and all you're going to do is just push. Now you're going to push it really hard. That's good, and just hold it. And as long as you can hold it for. Fantastic job. Awesome job. Excellent job. Very good. Great job, buddy. Yeah, thank you so much, man. Awesome job. See you next time.